Hi everyone, this is my review of the TSA Lock from Koala Source. This is an extremely durable lock. It has a really good weight to it, and I really like the black and the metallic combination on this lock. Now, I've traveled a lot, and I recently flew back from China, and I discovered that all my locks and my luggage were broken by the TSA. I'm always disappointed. All my locks have always been broken, and I've never been able to reuse them. But the advantage of this lock is when TSA does want to go into your luggage, they will either break it open, or if you have a TSA lock, there is a key unit on the bottom. Now all that's provided with this lock is just the lock itself. Now say your luggage is on this lock, it will travel to security, and if TSA wants to open it, they have their universal key which they would insert there, and they would open your luggage and then just close it back on. But the benefit of this lock is when they do that, if you guys can notice, there's a small red little dot right in the center on the top that will either pop open. So when you receive your luggage, this is elevated on top, you'll know that your luggage was opened. It's sort of like an indicator, and regardless, TSA is going to open your luggage if they are going to inspect or have any curiosity. This way, at least you don't lose your lock, and your lock is going to be there with you forever. It's extremely durable, and this top part rotates clockwise as much as you want. You can lock it, and it's extremely easy to set the lock combination on this lock itself. It's very durable, and not only can you use it for your luggage, but you can use it in your locker, unit, or anywhere else you like. Overall, I really like this lock. I think I'm going to get a few more, especially for when I'm traveling. And if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you very much, guys. That's my review.